Ready for this? Die! That did not work! Okay, that one didn't really work. And this time I'll try and keep a tighter grip on the stick. Here we go again. Ready? Yeah! Okay, now I'm going to try and do some juggling. I'll start off with 2, and if I can do that, I'll move on to 3. Here we go. Oh! Okay, that didn't work. Okay, that didn't really work, but I'm going to go on to 3 balloons anyway, okay? And if that didn't work, I don't see how this is going to, but here we go. You ready? Ah! Oh, good God. That kind of worked. That's the longest one yet. Damn it. Okay. Oh, but... Okay, last balloon, and... Stop. Right, for my next one, I'm going to pretend I'm at a clay pigeon shoot. Here's my pigeon, and here's my gun. So here we go. Ready? And... Boom! I got it. I got it. What a shot! Yeah! Okay, that pigeon was a bit bigger than I thought. And I'm a bit cold now, so I just got this one left. So I'm just going to boot it as hard as I can. Okay? So here we go. Okay, and unfortunately that's all the water balloons there is. So, nothing left to do now. Ow! That hurt!